Hello, this is Ayub. Welcome for my new session, which is about the SI units. SI means International System of Units, or in French we can read it, Système International des Unités. Next, we'll start in the first slide to write about the units, divided into two main categories. The first one, fundamental, and the second one, which is derivative. Change the color. Okay, derivative. Perfect. We'll start in the next slide about fundamental units. There are 7 basics units. The first one, which is the meter and represented by small m. The second, which is kilogram, represented by kg, and the quantity is mass. The third unit, which is the second, in general we use it for the time. Electric current, which is the quantity, and its unit it's ampere, capital A. Temperature, the unit of it is Kelvin, could be Fahrenheit, could be degrees Celsius, but in general, as we mentioned at the beginning of the session, international system, so we agree about one unit. Fahrenheit, they use it in USA, and all the remaining countries, they use the degree Celsius. We'll explain about it in details in the coming sessions, and how can we convert from one unit to another. Next, quantity, amount of mass or amount of substance, and its unit is mole. And the last one, which is the intensity of light, which is luminance intensity, and the unit is CD candela. Over here, I will explain, or I will give just one example for derivative units. Let's say the speed, which is a quantity, right? The speed. How fast an object moves. How can we find its unit? At the beginning, we can write its equation. The equation of the speed, which is distance divided by time. What's the unit of distance? Unit of distance is meter, and the unit of time is second. So what's going to be the unit of speed? Meter per second. So this is what we called it combination units, or we can call it derivative units. Next, about the units, if we say meter, it's the SI unit. But if you want to say 1 million meter, yani 1 and 6 zeros, instead of write it like this, we can write it 1 mega, right? So let's explain a little bit about it, and next session, how can we convert from one unit to another. We'll start over here and write exa. I want from you to know each letter what does it mean. Capital E, which is for exa, capital B, which is for beta, and capital G for giga, capital M for mega. Next, we have K for kilo, we have H for hecto, we have dA for deca, we have D, small d just for deci, we have S or C, I mean, which is for centi, M for milli. Next, we have a mu, it's a Greek letter, we called it micro. Next, we have small n for nano. We have P, small p, which is for pico. Next, we have F for femto. And we have small a for atto. I will write it over here. So here there are the prefix for units, and we are going to explain in the coming sessions how can we convert from one unit to another. At the end, like the video, subscribe, and will be updated later on by another sessions, another video. Have a nice day and see you later. Bye bye.